The specific goal for Peak itself is partnerships. But I want people to come together, collaborate and network together, and form partnerships. So what made this Peak partnership different than the previous years? We did a little bit of a different layout, okay? We did 2.5 days, and then on day 2, we did breakout stages where we got deeper, more granular in some content with multifamily. Business is challenging in any space. Like my business running it, I have challenges. Our students who are running their businesses, they have challenges. Peak couldn't have come at a better time.
It's not gonna be like a normal keynote, okay, where I'm just getting up here and chatting. It's gonna be a master class. So I'm gonna go through a lot. You're gonna wanna take notes.
First, the ultimate goal of every event we do is enhanced belief. That's the baseline for everything. One of my favorite messages that I received the kindest messages after Peak. She sent me a message and she said that she came in, she almost sold her Peak tickets because she's like, I don't belong here. I don't belong in this business. Everybody else has partners. I'm doing it with my son. I can't do this. She sat there and she watched people that looked like her up on stage. She said she realized what her superpower was, which is connecting. Peak is so valuable for newcomers, the new investor, the new person coming in, because the number one thing that's stopping anybody from getting to the next level is mindset.
It's a great environment to just share what things have been done right, what haven't been done wrong, and how we can learn and maybe new paths we can take along this journey.
I just love being surrounded with the success stories, the people that are powerful, the people that are actually walking the walk, doing the talk. There's sponsors here, there's general partners here, there's people that have thousands of doors here. This is where I need to be in order to be with like-minded people.
The entire team has been amazing, super uplifting, positive vibes, and I think the real takeaway is just the community here that Tyler's built. It's impressive to see. I'm like, man, I got a little ways to go, but I love it. I love it.
Who's ready to unlock their super brain? Raise your hand.
It's environment, like damn near impossible to walk into an environment like that, surrounded by like-minded individuals, some who are very successful, others who are the same boat as you, who are new. And be like, okay, look at these people were new once and look where they're at. And I'm not the only one who's new. Okay, let's go. People are naturally talking about the deals that they're doing. Partnerships are natural. Sponsors coming there, investors coming to raise capital. There's going to be investors there who are literally just looking to invest. You have people who need sponsors and sponsors who need people to partner with so that they can sponsor deals. A lot of people try to focus on what should I do before they really know what they want and why they want it. Quitting and stopping is not on the table. It's not even an option on the table. Having my family at the event was everything. It was the first event that they'd ever been to. Brittany is the one that should get all the credit, dude, because she sacrifices so much. She sees the impact it makes on me, but I wanted her to see the impact that it makes on many. And my kids too, you know? And for them to see the impact was everything to me. Marley gets up day one. She decides, she's like, I want to introduce you at Peak Partnership. I was like, let's go.
Hey, Marley.
Welcome to Peak Partnership. My name is Myron Deveraux, and put your hands together for my dad, Tyler Deveraux.
Pax gets up day 2. Listen, Pax, you killed it.
My dad, Tyler Deveraux.
I want my kids, I want them to be like, my dad pursued big things. My dad had a belief in himself that he could do anything. Peak is so powerful because it's the people, it's the impact. That's what it is. The most impactful people in my life are people who at a certain period of my life enhanced my belief in what was possible. I want to be that person for others. I know what that's unlocked in my life. I want to be able to unlock that for others in their life. So what keeps me going? Dude, it is literally the impact. That's how I know I'll do it forever though.
Perspective. Any challenge that we come up against, any trial that we hit, anything that we face, it's all perspective. All of it. How we get through it. And then we have 2 decisions. At the most basic level, we have 2 decisions. We either choose a perspective that is serving, or we choose a perspective that is not serving and we don't progress. We got to end this thing on a great note. Loud, powerful, strong. Y'all ready? I will rise to the peak.